Ringo Lanes is located at 9651 Kenwood Rd in Blue Ash, Ohio, and has been in the business of bowling centers since 1976. Ringo Lanes was a local Blue Ash, Ohio bowling alley where the people that lived around the area would come for some good old-fashioned bowling. The bowling alley featured wood lanes, cash-only registers, and scores written down not displayed by TV monitors, as well as bowling leagues of all kinds. The bowling alley was family-owned for the entire time that it was in operation, and you could tell how welcome you felt coming through those doors.
Maybe you've never been in a bowling establishment before. Or perhaps you have, and it wasn't this kind of place. The carefully supervised kind that millions of discriminating bowlers take for granted today. In the approved places, where bowling is best, you'll always find a healthful, wholesome, family environment.
Hey, Peg, let's get a move on. They won't hold that lane for us forever.
Oh, why don't you three go ahead and bowl without me? I'll have more fun just watching.
Hey, what kind of talk is that?
Bowling's a snap, Peg. You'll see. It's fun. Come on, let's live it up a little.
Nothing to it. We'll teach you all you have to know in 2 minutes flat.
Here are some comments customers made about the bowling alley. Throwback Western themed bowling like it's the 1970s. It's $2.25 for shoes and $3.50 per game. You can't beat that price. Scores are counted by hand, and if you have trouble, there's probably an app that can do it for you. They have Bud Light on tap, and they serve heavy, authentic glass pitchers for $9.25. Call ahead to see if lanes are open. Great place to go bowling, reminds me of the old days. They don't have score machines. Better learn how to keep score yourself. Staff and owners are great. 70s to 80s throwback. Still have manual scoring and all the old decor. Owners are great and truly appreciate everyone that comes through those doors. A busy corner in Blue Ash could soon look very different. A developer is demolishing properties at the corner of Kenwood and Cooper Roads, including the old Blue Ash Chili building and Ringo Lanes. The city is tearing down buildings on the adjacent property on Hossbrook Road. The company developing the property at Kenwood and Cooper once turned both properties into a mixed-use development with offices, retail, and restaurants, along with an apartment building, hotel, and outdoor gathering space. The bowling alley has been closed since April 17th of 2021. What finally caused this bowling alley to close? Well, ultimately, a few things sealed this 1970s themed bowling alley's fate. The first reason was that the bowling alley was becoming outdated as the times moved on, with technology being something that lacked being present. Another reason was COVID-19 took a huge blow to many bowling alleys, considering how easily spreadable the virus was, so it kept customers away from doing anything, including bowling. One more reason the bowling alley was closed was the decline in the revenue for the business to stay open, as it may have costed more to operate the bowling alley than to keep it open as is.